What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and the company I will be working with today is WowAfrican Hair. Jumping right in, I'm showing you guys everything that they sent me. Of course, I got a cute little pink drawstring bag and a cute WowAfrican silk headscarf. They also sent me a wig cap, a cute WowAfrican comb with a precision point, and of course their wax stick. This is the wig. This is their 22-inch reddish brown silky straight 13x6 glueless HD wig, SKU code 𝐔𝐬02, and it did come in 180 density. Y'all, this wig is the bomb. Perfect for beginners. The wig came pre-plucked, came lightly pre-bleached, pre-styled. I literally had to do nothing to this wig but put it on and press it out. Literally. Love, love, love. Get into this hairline. Y'all, when I say pre-plucked, this is what I mean. This is what it's supposed to be given. WowAfrican came through with the hairline. Look at that. Look how seamless that looks. So gorgeous, so cute, in love. As you guys can see, the knots are already pre-bleached. It's pre-plucked. I literally didn't have to do anything. This is what it looks like straight out of the box, fresh on my head, and it is already giving, okay? Now, I am going to go and take their wax stick the guys provided with me, for me, and I'm going to slick back the hairline, make sure everything's nice and neat before we get ready to cut off the excess lace. I am going to be running my hot comb through the perimeter of the hairline just to make sure everything's slicked back, so when I go to cut the excess lace, I'm not cutting any hairs that I don't need to be cut. You know, just making it all nice and neat, trying to make it easier for me. This install is going to be so quick and easy, y'all. This is perfect for beginners. Now, I am going to go ahead and cut off my ear tabs, and this wig can be worn 100% glueless. You don't have to glue this down at all. I do use adhesive, but that's just because I'm an adhesive girl, but you don't have to. This wig came with an adjustable elastic band, adjustable straps, and it fit perfectly on my head. So, like, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend for the girlies that are ready to bust down a wig in the summertime, don't have time to glue it down, or don't know how to glue it down. This is perfect. Like, you can see with me cutting my ear tabs out how it's already laying flush on my hairline. Like, I really love this wig. Like, they came through. Now I'm just going to cut off the excess lace that I don't need. And then once we cut that off, I'm going to go in and section out some of this hairline because it was a little bit too much. I got, the way I put my wigs on, the lace was coming down a little too far on my forehead or on my face. And I was just wanting to go ahead and fix that. So now I'm just going to take my comb that they provided for me, and I'm just going to part out the little section of the hair that I don't need. It was only just a little bit. If you have, you know, a bigger head or more space, you might not have to do this, but I did. So I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly pluck those out with my hand. Make sure you do small sections because you can risk ripping your lace if you pull big sections and try to rip it all at once, and we don't want to do that. Once that is done, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and then we are going to get ready to cut this excess lace off and lay it down with some even lace spray.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good.
Next, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and just cut off the excess lace starting on one side and then completing that on the other side. Once that is done, I am going to go in with my 𝐸𝐵𝐿 Wonder Lace Spray. I didn't have to use much because, like I said, it was already fitting nice and snug, and the lace was already very much transparent or HD, giving very much scalp, okay? And y'all, I ended up cutting my damn self right here with my damn eyebrow razor, just being a little too rough. The lace was so thin, I didn't even have to bear down that much. and I bear down a little bit too hard and ended up nicking my skin. Y'all aren't gonna see that on camera, but y'all be careful, okay? Because I almost cut myself. Now I'm gonna, well, I did cut myself. Now I'm gonna go in with my Ebon Wonder Lace Spray, and as you guys can see, I'm just spraying that directly on top and just dabbing it in with my finger. Not gonna use too much because, like I said, with this being a glueless unit, you really didn't have to use lace spray, but I just like to. Just for the sake of the video and with me styling, I don't want the wig to slide back or the lace to pop up or anything like that. So once I get done with that, I'm going to hot comb everything back and use my Songbird blow dryer. I do like to use a Songbird blow dryer on a low medium heat. It doesn't have to be piping hot, and you don't have to use cold either. I do find that using cold takes longer, and it's kind of unnecessary. You ain't really got to do all of that. So I'm just holding the lace in place with my finger to make sure it doesn't move, and then I'm going to take my rat tail comb just to make sure all the edges are completely laid down and comb through the hair. Since I did spray the Ebon lace spray on top, I don't want the spray to get gunky on my hairline. This hairline is already giving very much scalp, and I am so in love. WowAfrican, y'all did the damn thing with this, I swear. As you guys can see, I'm just combing out that little gunk piece that was starting to look cakey with the spray. And I'm just taking the rat tail comb portion of my comb and just laying all of that down. And this is what it's looking like. Like, that's with one little thin coat of Ebon Wonder Lace spray, and I say maybe a minute to 3 minutes of the blow dryer. I am going to go in on just little sections that I felt with my finger that were still popping up. They weren't completely laid down. Once I get through with that, I'm going to go back in with the wax stick that they provided with me for me, and we are going to hot comb this hairline, make sure everything's nice and neat. Once that's done, I am going to get ready to style, and we'll wrap this up.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited.
Next, I'm going to take this Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and I'm just going to pop that into my part just to define it and make it look more realistic. I really didn't have to do much with this unit. Like I told you guys, this wig is perfect for beginners. If you do not know how to customize a wig or don't care to customize a wig, you want something fresh out the box that you can put on, this is definitely a go-to. This is so bomb. Like, it came with the bust down part, it came with the pre-plucked hairline, it came with the pre-bleached knots. I literally didn't have to do anything to this wig but put it on. And this is just optional. You don't even have to do that. Since I had blonde hair up underneath, I really didn't even have to put the makeup on there, but me just being a little perfectionist, I just had to. Now I'm just going to take this heat protectant spray and just give a little light spritz all through the hair. And we're going to take our nano titanium straightener and my silk pressing comb, and I'm going to press the hair out. Before I do that, I almost forgot to wrap my edges with the WowAfrican silk headscarf that they provided with me. I usually don't use these. I be using, the elastic band that I buy. I buy a roll of it off of Amazon. But I'm finna start using my silk head scarves because them bands be giving me headaches, okay? And they be leaving a line of demarcation, and don't nobody want that. But get into the silkiness of this hair and the shine that the heat protectant spray gave it. I love this hair. It wasn't heavy on the hair. The product was very, very light, and I literally only had to run the straightener through the hair once or twice for it to get silky bone straight. It was already straight, so me running the straightener through it was just trying to get it pin straight, me being extra. But once I get done with that, that will be the finished look. I am going to show you guys the luster of the hair in slow-mo so you guys can see what it's giving. This hair is super, super thick, root to tip, 180 density. I did not see through this hair. This hair did not shed throughout this whole process. Like, I definitely, like I said, 10 out of 10. WowAfrican, y'all never seem to do me wrong. And this is why I love y'all's company, okay? Look at that hair. Look at that. Looking like some chocolate milk. Tell me that. Look at that. A little chocolate waterfall, okay? I love this wig. I will definitely be keeping this unit. Got to keep it. Got to keep it in the closet, baby, because the collection is like, it's giving. I needed it. Look at that. 180 density. And look at the body. I had to show you guys stiff wear. Ain't no stiff over here, baby. Okay? Y'all already see how we coming. And again, this is WowAfrican. This is their silky straight reddish brown hair. This did come in 22 inches and 180 density. I am 5 foot even, so it still came down to my butt. But, that's a plus for me. You don't ever want to complain for getting a little bang for your buck with them inches, okay? I love me a good wig with some inches. You feel me? Look at me playing in the hair. But this is what the hairline looks like once we take that silk scarf off. And look at that. Tell me that's not my hair. Tell me. And then we did a no baby hair look because this really didn't need no baby hair at all. I'm really getting tired of baby hairs. And this is about to be like my go-to. I really be wanting no baby hair, sleek, clean hairline just because it looks more realistic. Like, look at that. Definitely giving scalp. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming this video so much. I love just a wig that I could pop on, get through 1, 2, 3 step, and we done, okay? Because sometimes putting these wigs on be a hassle, and don't nobody got time for that. Like, I ain't got time. I don't have time. I'm been trying to get in and get out, okay? So I can go take my pictures, be cute, post, upload, and make it do what it do. But I really enjoyed this look. I love this unit so much. Again, this is WowAfrican SKU code GW02. This is their reddish brown lace front wig. It is a 13x6 HD lace, 180 density. Get into it. The texture is silky straight. And again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the way to 150K. I'm so proud of y'all and myself. I love all the support that you guys give me. I am about to start posting more content. I'm slick getting burnt out with these hair videos, and I'm just looking for something different. I think I'm going to take like a makeup class just so I could broaden my income and more skills, because I always get questions on, you know, who does my makeup, or can I post a makeup tutorial, and I really want to for you guys, but I don't know, I'm so scared and nervous. But again, get into that hairline, everything nice, sleek, and bomb as fuck. Natural hairline, definitely recommend. 100% beginner friendly. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your girl, Hypnotic Lady. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that bell so you guys get a post notification for every time that I drop. But again, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Do you like this unit? Do you like the no baby hair look? Do you prefer wigs that you have to customize, or do you like it straight out the pack, ready to be put on? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye. Mwah.